Hello, welcome back to today's video. Today, I will show my volcano. It's going to be a short video today. So there's a police car going up the road behind the bulldozer. And there's an old smashed car right there. Doesn't look too good. The bulldozer might have to push it down. There's some trees. There's still some lava inside there. I'd hate to fall in there. Long drop in there. Let's see. There's some orange right there. Looks like there's some trees, more trees. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching.